Welcome to Home of Math. Today's topic trigonometry in measurement. Question: if cos theta equal 3 by 4, find out the other ratios of the angle theta. Let's start. This question, if we consider trigonometric ratio of acute angles, first we have to draw a right angle triangle. Let's think this right angle triangle A, B, C. B is a right angle. Look here, cos theta equal 3 by 4. Considering trigonometric ratios of acute angles, we know cos theta equal adjacent divide hypotenuse. Look, this is a right angle. This right angle opposite is hypotenuse. This is our acute angle, so this is a adjacent, right? And this acute angle opposite is what? Opposite. So here cos theta equals to adjacent divide hypotenuse. It means 3 divide 4. So this is a 3 and this is a 4. So what is opposite? So first we have to find out the result of opposite. As per Pythagorean identity, we know, so here is AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So we need the value of AB. So here is cos theta means here is BC divide AC. Here BC equals to 3 and AC equals to 4. So we need the value AB, right? So we can write AB square equals to AC square minus BC square, or we can write AB equal root over AC square minus BC square. So AC 4 square and here is BC square means 3 square, then root. Look, here is 16 and here is 9. So our answer is root 7. Look, So here opposite is root 7. So now we know every value of this right angle. Now we can easily put the value every ratio of trigonometry. Let's start. So this is our complete figure. So cos theta equal 3/4. So now we will find out other ratio like sine theta equal, one more thing, we find AB equal root 7, BC equal 3, AC equal 4. So sine theta mean what? Sine theta is adjacent or opposite. Which one? Opposite. So this one is opposite, this one is adjacent, and this one is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. So sine theta is what? Root 7 divide 4. Cos theta we already find out. Then cosec theta. Cosec theta is just opposite of sine theta. It means 4 divided 7. Or we can say cosec theta is hypotenuse divide opposite. Then sec. It's the opposite of cos theta. It means 4 divide 3. This one we can write like this: opposite divide hypotenuse. This one is hypotenuse divide opposite. Cosec theta is hypotenuse divide adjacent. Right? Now tan theta. Tan theta is opposite divide adjacent. So root 7 divide 3. It means opposite divide adjacent. And finally cot theta. Cot theta is opposite of tan theta. It means 3 divide root 7. Or we can write adjacent divide opposite. So look, here is a all ratio of angle. So this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Hope you understand this one. It's a very important math. So don't forget, keep concentration about angle. Okay, and look, this acute angle is everything. If you consider A, then opposite will be BC. Again, if you consider C, then opposite will be AB. So be careful about this thing. Thank you.